So today we are going to discuss about one of the most important concept of the chapter matrices, how to multiply two matrices. So I will tell you in a very simple way. I'm not going deep into the theories and getting making you bore. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to the main point. So if you want to multiply two matrices, means the product of two matrices A and B, two matrices A and B is defined if, this is the main point, if the number of columns of A, if the number of columns of A, that means number of columns of the first matrix is equal to the number of rows of B, second matrix. So for example, your matrix A, it's a matrix, suppose Aij, general notation Aij, say it is of order m by n, it can be of order any order. Then B, so it's a matrix, say Bij notation. So the number of columns, so here n is the number of columns, n is the number of columns of first matrix. So number of rows, so B should have n rows, n by, it can be of any column, doesn't matter, but the main thing is these two will be equal. Okay, so if you want to find A into B, so अभी क्वेश्चन आएगा सर A into B and B into A सेम आते हैं क्या, that we will discuss. First of all, if you want to find the product of two matrices A and B, A into B, what you need is, or you can multiply that two matrices only when the number of columns of the first matrix, is equal to number of rows of the second matrix. So then you will get a matrix, A into B. So if you multiply A into B, you will get a matrix AB. This matrix, okay, whatever it is, say Cij, whatever, you will get a matrix. So its order will be this M by P. Okay. So we will discuss this in example. I will show you an example, then the idea will be clear for you. So you can tell any matrix, say A. So 2, 3, 1, 0, 2, minus 1, 1, 1, 7. So this is a 3 by 3 matrix. Now, so B should be, so कितना rows होना चाहिए, 3 rows होना चाहिए, कॉलम कितना भी होने दो, कोई इशू नहीं. ओके, 0, 7, minus 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 1. ओके, मैं और एक कॉलम बैठा दूंगा, 0, 1, 1. So 3 rows and 4 columns. So here you can see that number of rows of the number of columns of the first matrix is equal to number of rows of the second matrix. So now we can find A into B. So now, so A into B, मैंने आपको बोला it will be a matrix of order कितना होगा, 3 by 4, right? this 3 and this 4. ओके, सो उसका जनरल फॉर्म तो आपको पता है, 3/4 है तो 3 रोज होगा, 4 कॉलम्स होगा. सो ऐसे मिलेगा A11, ये आपका माइंड में होना चाहिए, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, A34. ओके, दिस इज अ मैट्रिक्स ऑफ ऑर्डर 3/4. आपको जो मिलेगा मैट्रिक्स, दैट प्रोडक्ट A इंटू बी 3/4 मैट्रिक्स होगा. अभी कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, दैट इज व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस. सो आपको पता है इधर तो एलिमेंट, जो इधर के एलिमेंट A11 फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम. सो आपको इधर A11 एलिमेंट मिलना है तो फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स का फर्स्ट रो, फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स का फर्स्ट रो, फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स का फर्स्ट रो, सेकेंड मैट्रिक्स का फर्स्ट कॉलम. ये 1 1 है तो फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स का फर्स्ट रो, सेकेंड मैट्रिक्स का फर्स्ट कॉलम मल्टीप्लाई करना. ओके, दैट मीन्स दिस रो एंड दिस कॉलम मल्टीप्लाई करना. नाउ हाउ टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस, इट इज लाइक दिस. फर्स्ट एलिमेंट इधर का 2, 2 इंटू उधर का फर्स्ट एलिमेंट 0, प्लस 3 इंटू सेकेंड एलिमेंट इंटू उधर का सेकेंड एलिमेंट 2, plus 1 into 1. This is how we multiply one row and one column. 2 into 0 plus 3 into 2 plus 1 into 1. That's the way we multiply one row with a column. So A11 element हो गया. Now कौन सा element मिलना है आपको, A12, isn't it? A12 मिलना है तो आप मुझे बताओ लॉजिक क्या होगा, फर्स्ट रो एंड सेकेंड
second column.
कॉलम. या
Column.
फर्स्ट रो
B.
2, सो ऐसा आएगा 2 इंटू 7
7
प्लस
plus
3 इंटू
2 into 3.
3 इंटू
So
3
3 into
प्लस 1 इंटू 2.
2.
सो फर्स्ट रो इंटू सेकेंड कॉलम हो गया. अभी क्या आएगा, फर्स्ट रो इंटू थर्ड कॉलम.
Third column.
सो अभी डायरेक्ट आप लिख सकते हैं 2 इंटू -1, दैट इज -2,
Minus
plus 3 into
plus
5, 15,
15.
plus 1 into 1, 1.
1.
So first row into third column हो गया. अभी first row into fourth column, 2 into 0, 0,
0
plus 3 into
plus
1, 3,
3
plus 1 into 1.
plus 1. 1.
तो first row into fourth column हो गया. अभी first row into fifth column करने के लिए उधर कुछ नहीं है. So that first row हो गया, first row into first column, first row into second column, first row into third column, first row into fourth column. They are the corresponding elements A11, A12, A13, A14. First row first column, first row second column, first row third column, first row fourth column. अभी आगे इधर करने के लिए फर्स्ट रो फिफ्थ कॉलम नहीं है, सो विथ फर्स्ट रो एंड कॉलम्स हो गया. अभी 2 1, दैट मीन सेकेंड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम. सो इधर का
First
सेकेंड,
column.
इधर का सेकेंड रो एंड इधर का फर्स्ट कॉलम. सो आपको मिलेगा, अभी डायरेक्ट आप लिख सकते हैं
0
0 इंटू 0, 0
0
प्लस 2 इंटू
plus
2,
4
4 प्लस
4
-1 इंटू 1,
minus 1
-1. सो फर्स्ट
minus
रो
1.
इंटू सेकेंड रो इंटू फर्स्ट कॉलम हो गया. अभी सेकेंड रो इंटू सेकेंड कॉलम, 0
Second
इंटू
column.
7, 0 प्लस
0
2 इंटू 3,
plus 6
6 प्लस -1 इंटू 2,
minus 2
-2.
minus 2.
अभी सेकेंड रो इंटू थर्ड कॉलम, 0 इंटू -1, 0 प्लस 2 इंटू 5, 10
10
प्लस -1 इंटू 1, -1.
minus 1.
अभी सेकेंड रो इंटू फोर्थ कॉलम, 0 इंटू 0,
Fourth column.
0
0
प्लस 2 इंटू 1, 2
2
plus -1 into
minus 1.
that is -1. So second row into first column, second row into second column, second row into third column, second row into fourth column हो गया. अभी second row into fifth column करने के लिए कुछ नहीं उधर हो गया. Now third
Third
row
row first
into
column.
third 3 1, 3 2, 3, third row first, third row second, third row third column, third row fourth column is that. Third row into first column. So 1 into 0, 0 plus 1 into 2, 2 plus 7 into 1, 7. अभी third row into second column 1 into 7 7
7.
plus 1 into 3
Plus
3 plus 7 into 2 14. अभी third into third 1 into minus 1
minus
plus
1
1 into
plus
5
5
5 plus 7 into 1
plus 7.
7. Now third into fourth column 1 into 0 0
0.
plus 1 into 1 1 plus 7
1.
into 1
7.
7.
7.
हो गया. Now this you can simplify and you can write the answer. So that is equals 2 plus 6 plus 1 कितना आएगा वो 9.
9.
सॉरी 2 नहीं 2 into 0 0 है ना.
हाँ.
2 into 0
0 से
0 है.
7 आएगा सर. 7 आएगा सर.
Yeah, 6 plus 1 that is 7. Next देखो 14
14
plus
plus
9
9
plus 2
is 2.
25.
26. 6. 5.
Hmm. Then minus 2 25 minus
25.
2 plus 15 15 plus 1 16 16 minus 2 is 14.
14.
0 plus 3 plus 1 4
4.
4 minus 1 3
Minus 3. 3.
6 minus 2 4
4.
10 minus 1 9
9.
2 minus 1 1
1.
7 plus 2 9
9.
24 7 plus 3 10 10 plus 14 24 7 plus 5 12 minus 1 11
11.
7 plus 1
8.
8 देखो
8.
हो गया आपका आंसर. Look at the dimension, it is 3 by 4. Got it? So this
Yes,
is
sir.
how we multiply two matrices. This is how we multiply two matrices. So you cannot multiply any two matrices. Matrix multiply करना है तो जैसे addition, if you want to add two matrices, if you want to subtract two matrices, first of all both matrix should have the same order. In the same way, if you want to multiply two matrices, number of columns of first matrix should be equal to number of rows of the second matrix. तो उस समय प्रोडक्ट जो ए बी मिलेगा उसका ऑर्डर होगा इधर जो फर्स्ट एम बाई पी. अंडरस्टूड. तो आपको जेन्युइनली एक क्वेश्चन आएगा सर ए इंटू बी एंड बी इंटू ए सेम है क्या. इधर आप देखो इन दिस पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड बी इंटू ए you see that order of B is 3 by 4, order of A is 3 by 3, correct? Look at there, number of rows of first, that is 4, number of columns of the first matrix is 4, number of rows of the second matrix is 3, they are not equal, so that means we can't
Their product.
find their product. That means these two matrices cannot multiply. B into A, we can't multiply B with A, BA. So you can say in general, so in general, in general, matrix multiplication is not commutative. Okay, that means you can't multiply A into B and B into A. Same nahi hai in general. And here in this particular example हमने देखा we are able to find A into B. In this situation even we are not able to find B into A. So ऐसा situation एक्सिस होने के बाद दोनों इक्वल होगा करके सवाल आएगा. अभी तो B into A you cannot find, you can't multiply B into A. Understood? Okay. Say
Yes, sir.
yes. एक सिंपल एग्जाम्पल बताएंगे जैसे देखो 1 2 3 4 B is equal to minus 1 0 1 1. Okay, so we'll see A into B, we'll see A into B मतलब So this is of order 2 by 2. It's okay.
Two
This is of
by
order
two.
2 by 2.
Two
So
by
here you can see columns of first is 2, rows of second is 2. So you can multiply A into B. So no issues. 1, 2, 3, 4. इधर -1 0 1 1. सो आपको आंसर भी मिलेगा, क्या मिलेगा, 2/2 ही मिलेगा. सो है ना. सो 2/2 ही मिलेगा. 1 1 1 2 2 1 ऐसे मिलेगा आंसर. सो फर्स्ट रो इंटू फर्स्ट कॉलम. सो फर्स्ट रो into first column. So 1 into -1 plus
minus
2 into 1 2. First row
three.
into first column हो गया. First row into second column 1 into 0 0 plus 2 into 1 2. Then second row into first column 3 into -1 -3 plus 4 into 1 4. Second row into second column 3 into 0 0 plus 4 into 1 4. So आपको मिलेगा 2 minus 1 1, 2 plus 0 2,
One.
4 minus 3 1 0. You got AB. Okay. Now we'll see what about BA. So -1 0 1 1. B पहले लिखा. 1 2 3 4. So ये अब order देखेंगे तो first is order 2 by 2, second is order 2 by 2. Number of columns of first is equal to number of rows of second. So you can multiply. So first row into first column -1 into 1 1 plus 0 into 3 0. Then first row into second column -1 into 2 -2.
Then -1 into 1.
So -1.
A1 1.
-1 into 1 -1 plus 0 into 3 0.
Minus
Then minus first row into second column -1 into 2 -2 plus 0 into 4 0. So first row into first column हो गया, first row into second column हो गया. So second row into first column 1 into 1 1 plus 1 into 3 3. Now 1 into 2 2 plus 1 into 4 4. So आपको मिला -1 plus 0 -1 -2 3 plus 1 4 4 plus 2 6. So here you can see that AB and BA both exist, but they are not equal.
equal.
Okay. So in some situation, even BA does not exist. In some situation, BA exists, but they are not equal.
Equal.
Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So, but there are situations where A and B are equal also. Just say, for example, uh, 1 0 0 2. B is equal to 3 0 0 4. Okay. So we'll see A into B. 1 0 0 2 3 0 0 4. Order देखेंगे. First one is order 2 by 2. Second one is order 2 by 2. Number of columns of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix. So you can multiply. So first row into first column 1 into 3 3 plus 0 into 0 0. First row into second column 1 into 0 0 plus 0 into 4 0. Now second row into first column 0 into 3 0 plus 2 into 0 0. Second row into second column 0 into 0 0 plus 2 into 4 8. तो आपको मिलेगा 3 0 0 8. Okay, let's see what is B into A. 3 0 0 4 1 0 0 2. Let's see the order. 2 by 2. This is 2 by 2. Number of columns of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix. Yes, you can multiply. First row into first column 3 into 1 3 plus 0 into 0 0. First row into second column 3 into 0 0 plus 0 into 2 0. Second row into first column 0 into 1 0 plus 4 into 0 0. Second row into second column 0 into 0 0 plus 4 into 2 8. 3 0 0 8. So here you can see that your AB and BA are equal. Got it? So there are situations AB and BA are equal, but that doesn't mean that matrix multiplication is commutative, because we have seen situation where AB and BA are exists but they are not equal, and we have seen situation where A into B exists but B into A does not exist. Okay, बट उसका मतलब ऐसे नहीं कभी भी A into B B into A इक्वल नहीं होगा करके नहीं. There are situations where A into B and B into A are same. So in general what you can say is matrix multiplication is not commutative. Is it clear? Okay, and we have seen some situations like आपको पता है real number में A into B is equal to 0, product of two numbers is equal to 0. This implies either A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0, isn't it? Product of two numbers 0 होना है तो कम से कम उसमें से एक तो 0 होना चाहिए, isn't it? Correct?
Yes, sir.
But you see, I'm just giving you one example. A 0 minus 1 0 2, is it a zero matrix? Is it a zero matrix? Not a zero matrix, because zero matrix मतलब क्या है, हर एक एलिमेंट क्या होना चाहिए, 0 होना चाहिए.
0.
3 5 0 0, is it a zero matrix?
No.
No, it's not a zero matrix. Let's see what is A into B. 0 minus 1 0 2 3 5 0 0. Let's look at the order. 2 by 2
2.
2 by 2. Number of columns of first matrix is same as number of rows of second matrix. Yes, it is. You can multiply, and you know that whatever the answer you will get, that will be of order 2 by 2.
2. 2 by 2.
Okay, first row into first column, 0 into 3 0 into 3 0 plus minus 1 into 0 0. First row into second column, 0 into 5 0 plus minus 1 into 0 0. Second row into first column, 0 into 3 0 plus 2 into 0 0. Second row into second column, 0 into 5 0 plus 2 into 0 0. So you got 0 0 0 0. So what you got? Zero matrix. Okay, so इसमें से आपको क्या समझ में आ गया? That implies product of two matrices is a zero matrix, that it is not necessary, it is not necessary, it is not necessary that one of the matrix is a zero
0 matrix.
Okay, so one of the matrix 0 है तो पक्का it will be 0, there is no doubt in that. Okay, क्योंकि A मैट्रिक्स के अंदर हर एक एलिमेंट 0 है, तो आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? फर्स्ट रो एनीवे 0 ही मिलेगा. ठीक है, बट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू मैट्रिसेस इज 0. इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी दैट उसमें से कोई एक मैट्रिक्स 0 होना चाहिए करके नहीं है. बट नंबर सिस्टम में हमने देखा था, नंबर सिस्टम्स में प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर्स हमने पॉलिनोमियल में कई बार किया है. जैसे हम बोलते था x minus 3 into x minus 2 is equal to 0, that implies x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then we solve करते था x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 2. That is in case of a real number system में. So matrix का केस में ऐसे कुछ नहीं है, दो मैट्रिक्स का प्रोडक्ट जीरो आ गया उसका मतलब ऐसे नहीं, जो मल्टीप्लाई किया मैट्रिक्स में कोई एक जीरो मैट्रिक्स ही है करके कोई गारंटी नहीं. सो बिकॉज देयर कैन बी नॉन जीरो मैट्रिसेस, जब आप उन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट निकालने के टाइम आपको जीरो मैट्रिक्स भी मिल सकते हैं. Okay, so what you have seen till now is how to multiply two matrices. For multiplying two matrices, the first condition is number of columns of the first matrix should be equal to number of rows of the second matrix, then only you can multiply. ओके, सो फर्स्ट रो का m बाई n है तो नेक्स्ट टू वन का रो n होना चाहिए, n बाई बाकी जो भी आ सकते हैं m वॉट एवर नंबर, इट कैन बी एनी नंबर देयर, दैट डजंट मैटर, p वॉट एवर इट इज, बट ये दोनों इक्वल होना चाहिए, दोनों इक्वल होना चाहिए, तब जो आंसर मिलेगा दैट विल बी m बाई p. ओके, then we have seen matrix multiplication is not commutative in general. A into b you can find, sometimes b into a you will not be able to find, that product will not exist. Sometimes ab and ba exist but they are not equal, but there are situations ab and ba exist and they are equal also. And one more property we have seen, टू नॉन जीरो मैट्रिक्स का प्रोडक्ट जीरो हो सकते हैं. क्लियर? Now iska some properties hai, before going to that property I'll just tell you that properties, then we will go to the problems. Properties of multiplication of matrices. First one, it is associative property. Associative, that means if you want to multiply three matrices a b c, you can multiply a and b first then multiply with c, or you can multiply b and c first then multiply with a, but keep that order you should keep. Like you can multiply a and b, a into b, then when you multiply a into b with c, a into b फर्स्ट जगह आना है, c सेकंड जगह, c पहले आया तो नहीं चलेगा, because matrix multiplication is not commutative. Or you just multiply b and c first, then उसका लेफ्ट साइड में a से मल्टीप्लाई किया, a into b c, this will be same. So this you can verify by taking any three matrices, maybe in the exercise that will come. So it is up to you, you can verify that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then second one, distributive. The distributive law, this is associative law. Distributive law matlab you have three matrices a b and c, then when you want to multiply like this, a into b plus c, so you can multiply a into b first and a into c, then you can add those two. Or a plus b into c, it is a into c plus b into c, ऐसे आप कर सकते हैं. But there also you just keep in mind that order is important, a into b, then a into c. It is not c into a, because matrix multiplication is not commutative. Either also a into c plus b into c. And there is another property that is known as the existence of
Multiplicative inverse.
multiplicative identity. Inverse तो है, inverse of a matrix
Identity.
निकालना, inverse of a matrix, that is the most important concept, the backbone of this chapter that we will study. But उसके पहले existence of multiplicative identity मतलब for any square matrix, so either for any square matrix, not for any matrix, for any square matrix A, there is a matrix I such that A into I, or I into A, that will be A itself. There exists a matrix I मतलब आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सो ये मैं आपको बताता हूँ. मैंने आपको बोला था जैसे ए स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स 2 3 4 5. ओके, सो इसका आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स क्या होगा? दिस इज ऑफ 2 by 2 मैट्रिक्स. आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स इज ऑल्सो ऑफ 2 by 2, 1 0 0 1. जब हमने आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स डिस्कस किया था तब हमने ये बताया था. अभी आप देखो ए इंटू आई, देखो 2 3 4 5 1 0 0 1. देखो 2 by 2, 2 by 2. Number of columns of first matrix is 2, number of rows of first matrix is 2. That means you can multiply first row into first column, 2 into 1 2, plus 3 into 0 0. First row into second column, 2 into 0 0, plus 3 into 1 3. Second row into first column, 4 into 1 4, plus 5 into 0 0. Second row into second column, 4 into 0 0, plus 5 into 1 5. So आपको मिलेगा 2 3 4 5. देखो, so this matrix is known as identity matrix. That is why it is known as identity matrix. When you multiply this matrix with identity matrix, you got the same thing. Similarly, you can I into A. I पहले लिखेंगे तो भी same answer आएगा. I into A also you will get the same thing. So that means there exists a multiplicative identity for any square matrix A. There exists a matrix I such that AI is equal to IA is equal to A. 3 by 3 है तो उसी हिसाब से आएगा. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक 3 by 3 मैट्रिक्स है, A is equal to 1 3 minus 2 0 minus 1 7 4 5 2. सो इसका करस्पॉन्डिंग आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स क्या आएगा? 1 0 0, because it is of 3 by 3, 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, so if you multiply A into I or I into A, whatever it is, so I into A देखो 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 into A 1 3 minus 2 0 minus 1 7 4 5 2. This is 3 by 3. This is 3 by 3. Number of columns of first matrix is 3. Number of rows is 3. So you can multiply. So when you multiply first row into first column, so 1 into 1 1. बाकी दोनों 0 है ना, so क्या मिलेगा? 0 plus 0 ही मिलेगा, right? Again first row into second column, 1 into 3 3. Then again 0 into minus 1 plus 0 into 5, so 0 plus 0. Again 1 into minus 2 minus 2. Again 0 into 7 plus 0 into 2 0. Again second row into first column, so first and last element here आप देखेंगे तो 0 है, 0 into anything 0 आएगा, so 0 plus 1 into whatever it is, we have to check that. So 0, only the middle term we have to check. 1 into minus 1, so minus 1 plus 0. Again 0 plus first and last term will be 0 only, so middle term check करो. First second row into second column, अरे यार no इधर भी 0 है, क्योंकि 0 into 3 0 into 1 0, 1 into 0 0, plus 0 into 4 0. Again 0 into 3 0, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, then 0 into 5 0. Again 0 into minus 2 0, 1 into 7 7, plus 0 into 2 0. So 0 plus 7. Then again third row आप देखेंगे तो इधर फर्स्ट 2 एलिमेंट 0 है, then लास्ट एलिमेंट देखा 0 into 1 0, plus 0 into 0 0, plus 1 into 4 4. So आपको मिलेगा 0 plus 0 plus 4. Again 0 plus 0 plus 1 into 5 5. Again 0 plus 0 plus 1 into 2 2. So आप देख सकते हैं, you will
2.
get 1 3 minus 2 0 minus 1 7 4 5 2. You got the matrix as A itself. Okay, so there exists identity matrix I for every square matrix, not for any matrix, for every square matrix. उसका order 3 है तो correspondingly there is an identity matrix of order 3. Order 2 है तो there is correspondingly the identity matrix of order 2, such a way that A into that identity matrix is that matrix itself. Okay, so these are the properties of multiplication of matrices. Matrix multiplication is not commutative, but it is associative, it is distributive, and there is multiplicative identity is there.
Identity.
Okay, yeah. So remaining अभी इसका जो exercise questions, now we are going to that we will go in the next class. Tomorrow we will discuss that exercise questions. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, and see you tomorrow then. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.